Monday, the 21st of July, 2025. This video is going to be about a glass cleaner. This van sat for 3 years without a tag, and it was sitting in an industrial area. It got something on this windshield that does not come off with Windex. It doesn't come off with ammonia and water. It doesn't come off easily at all. So what I've done, I have bought some glass cooktop cleaner. Now this Streak Free Shine daily cleaner is fine once you get a windshield good and clean, or a cooktop. They have a kit that comes with a razor blade and a little scrubber, scratch-free scrubber. It won't scratch glass. And you can, for heavy duty, it's a smaller kit has this in it, this heavy duty, and I think it's $7, $8, $9, something like that. I forgot how much I paid for these, but I'm having to use this to get the big jump. You can see the difference. But even with this heavy duty, I have had to rub really hard to get that film off, whatever that film is. I don't know what it is. But I have had to rub very hard, but it will get it. And once it gets it, then you can use this daily or regular window cleaner. But we will be finishing up getting this windshield done, along with, getting the rest of the glass, and we're getting this van ready to at least put some miles on and find out if there's anything else going on with it that will prevent us from putting it on the road as a primary van, or at least a substitute at very least. But yeah, the other van, the driver's side ball joint blew out yesterday, left us stranded. We had it towed to Wilson's over in Bishop, Georgia. He did a great job. I've got to put a review on for him, but he really did a great job loading it and unloading it without tearing up anything else on that front end. The way he loaded it up, he slid the tailgate up, the bed up underneath the van, and didn't move the van but about a foot total. So it really kept from dragging that A-frame just slap out of there. But I said this would be a review of this glass cooktop. But we will be getting this van ready, the inside and all that kind of stuff. We started sanding on it some last night, getting this bad paint off. I don't know what Chevrolet, I don't know why they can't get this stuff right. But that, and we pulled 3 rows of seats out. We're going to be getting some fabric cleaner, upholstery cleaner, using a shop vac and cleaning these seats up. These are very nice seats. High quality seats. I'm going to take this one and make a TV seat out of it over there. Frank said you got to have a larger TV. I hardly ever watch any TV, but anyway, we'll be getting those seats. I may sell a couple of them. I want probably $100 a piece for them. We've got one more row in here that we're going to be pulling out. And like I said, we've got a lot of work to do on this. We've got another fender, so it'll be replaced. But we've got this row of seats. I'm thinking about leaving that one in, or either putting one of the other ones back there. But we've got a lot more room in this van, and it has dual heat and air. We'll have to get it working, but as you can see, it's a lot more room, and we got that ready for last night because the other van is in the shop. So that'll wrap this one up, and we're going to continue on with the windshield and stuff. We're going to insure it and tag it today. Try to get 2 tires mounted on the front of it, or get 2 tires to mount on. And we've got plug wires coming. We're going to be putting plug wires and plugs in it. We've got to take those front tires off to get to the plugs. You can't get to the plugs with just taking that engine housing off. We'll be doing that next couple of days and getting it on the road 300 or 400 miles and find out if there's anything else going on with it. or whether we can just then fix the air conditioning and we can put it on the road.